What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a good minute, but I am back. Today I just want to give you guys a quick fitness update because I will be starting a new fitness journey starting tomorrow. I know, but such is life. We all fall off and kind of get off track, but I'm ready to get back on track. I've gotten a bit skinny fat and not feeling it, so I'm trying to get back lean and toned and also try to get thick at the same time, or get thicker at the same time. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what I look like now and give you my current stats. So I'm currently at 128 pounds. Let's see if I can give you a quick body. Okay, so this is what I look like now. So you can see I have a little bit of love handles going on here. Okay, try to get the side view. Okay, so this is relaxed. And let me just get the other side before I try and get the back. Oh my gosh, so embarrassing. Okay. And this is flexed. And again, relaxed. Flex on this side and relaxed. Okay, let me try and get the back by myself. Hopefully this is good enough. So this is relaxed. A little flex. And again, you can kind of see a little bit of love handles I got going on. And relaxed. Just to give you a quick update, I have been eating about 80% clean in the last year or so. Haven't been counting my calories, having cheat meals here and there, just working out 3 to 4 times a week and not even really going hard. Just recently I've started putting a little bit more cardio in my routine, but again, nothing like serious. But I'm about to get serious. I'm about to get serious starting tomorrow. So, you know, I have a little bit of love handles. My abs aren't there. They're hiding. They're in hiding right now. And I just want to get back on track. I miss looking ripped. I miss being lean and toned, especially with my upper body. So I'm about to get back on a new diet plan to take care of that. And yeah, I'm currently 128 pounds and I'm gonna go ahead and do my measurements for you. My belly is measuring at 33 inches, my waist at 29 inches, arms 11, calves 13, and my thighs at 18 3/4. My body fat percentage is 26.5 with a BMI of 22.5. So let's see how much we can change that by the end of this week. I am expecting at least some kind of transformation because I'm about to go hard. Like, I'm about to be doing cardio in the morning and in the afternoon, as well as my weight training on top of that. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so I'm back with my 1 week update. I gained 2 pounds. If you guys remember, at the beginning of the week I was 128. I'm currently at 130 pounds. I lost 1 inch on my waist. I went from 29 inches to 28 inches. My arms remained at 11 inches. My thighs, I gained like 1/4 of an inch. So I went from 18 3/4 to 19 inches. I lost 1/2 inch on my belly, so I went down from 33 to 32.5 inches. My hips remained at 40 inches, calves at 13, and my body fat is down to a 23.4. So I lost 3% body fat in 1 week. I'm super excited about that. Proud of myself. And yeah, I hope that the information that I shared with you guys will be helpful to you as well. So I'm really excited about the fact that I was able to gain 2 pounds and still lose 3% body fat. So I would say that this 1 week transformation was a success.